a litty intro.
Yeah, litty. Anyways, what's up, guys? It's Christmas. Merry Christmas. Back with another video. Right now we got a sick install featuring my brother in Christ. But like literally my brother. Alright, let's open this on up here, guys. We got so we got these, right? Ew. And then now we got these sick clear ones. Cause that ain't it. That ain't it. That ain't it right there. This one's playing hard to get. I don't know why. Maybe I should take that one. Even this bulb though, it's like stuck. Oh, fucker. Alright, with that being said, that was very much stuck in there. I don't know why. Same with this plug though, dude. It like does not come off. I need to use these rusty BMW pliers. Hey, but they are original.
This video is not sponsored by BMW.
Not at all. If anything, they actually hate what I do with their cars. Like, dude, that doesn't feel right at all. Bro, this shit does not come off. And I broke a light. I don't even know how this just happened, but I don't even know how that just happened. Bro, I'm installing the most simple thing, and this is what's happening right now. We're gonna take a brief intermission. So after fighting, we got it out. Cool. Now we're gonna take this little bad boy out. So now we're gonna unbolt this, which I'm assuming is just these three little Johnnies right here. Boom. Oh wow. These have probably never been removed in all of its 30 years of life. Alright, now that these are all loose. Boom. Check it out. So we get this ugly little guy. Oh dude, there's a whole colony of spiders in here. Hear that? Broken glass. That's what I cut myself on. Wow. These are shiny, dude. These are in fact the eBay specials. For anybody wondering. Santa cheaped out this year. We did not get OEM. Alright, so we're gonna get a grand reveal comparison. Yeah, that's significantly better. That is way better. Man, it's coming together, guys. Coming together. Now we're gonna throw in the other one, and then, well, I guess I'll show you what it looks like. Ooh, imagine I hit her car.
Oh, that would have been great.
Okay. So we get that one out. If anybody wants these are OEM Hellas. Hit my line. I don't want these shits. Amazing. All right, it's on. Throw this bullshit away. I need to clean my trunk, guys. I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and get a grand reveal. That is so much better, dude. Up next, I gotta get this done. That ain't it, cuz I don't know what else I'm doing in this video. Hopefully getting tires so I can run all four of those, cuz, you know, I don't like the stocks in the front and having good ass fitment in the rear. It's kind of weird. We'll go ahead and flash forward to whatever's next. Thing sounded like a cammed tow truck, bruh. Did not want to start this morning. I've been getting matched airflow sensor codes, so I have a feeling it's that. I don't know for sure. I just got the sensor for like 20 bucks, so we'll see if that replaces it. Cheap one, I'm not gonna count on it too hard, but anyways, that's besides the point. We're gonna meet up with the homies at Cars and Coffee right now. Oops. As we always do. And as always, I'll put whatever's cool in here if I see anything super cool. After that, I think I'm trading my stocks, my Style 19s for Style 42s if the guy pulls through. So I really hope so, because let's be real, those are way better. I think we can all agree. Brody and Nick are here. I gotta find them. Can you tell me one fact about this car?
Let's see here. Do you know it has 580 horsepower?
Wow, I would have never known. Okay, Cars and Coffee, a Porsche. Now we're going there.
Way better meat.
Yeah, probably.
This shit was ass.
It's not bad. Come on.
Mid.
Come on.
Mid.
Nah. We're gonna go see this Super Leggere lead because, yeah, it sounds good. I think we're gonna miss it.
Should have floored it.
He hasn't shifted. Oh my god. now we're going to Cars and Coffee. Not, in Porsche. We're going to Cars and Coffee Porsche now.
Newer GT4?
I think they led us astray. I don't think there is a Cars and Coffee.
Right.
That thing's taking all apart, bro.
That scares me though. Look at all that weight they're dropping out of the front.
Oh.
What if it...
All right, so we just ate, and we're gonna go do his sway bars, and we're waiting for the homie to hit me up about those wheels. He hasn't texted me today, but when he does, we will be throwing those on. Ooh, an S4, dude, look, that's an S4. We'll see what we're doing. We're about to rip the backgrounds, but I can't really film that, so sorry guys. Well, we've got the entire squadron, and we're doing these sway bars. Not E39 content, but for you Subi heads, Subi fans.
One of the smoothies?
Ew. Brother. Brief intermission because we have no attention span. We're gonna go hit VTEC. Oh my god, what was that noise?
Straight cut gears, bro.
VTEC on a cold engine, let's get it.
I don't think it'll pop right now.
Actually, it doesn't feel that slow, to be honest with you. Dude, that sounds actually really sick. Oh god, oh god. Hey. That's way better. That's way better. Yeah, we don't help our friends work. We play video games. Bro. This guy's going to work, not in the Camaro. We're still doing this, so we're just kind of in his house. Bro. Yeah, sounds pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, dude. Low-key did not do anything to this car today. We were gonna trade the stocks, but homeboy did not hit me up. He sheared a bolt, dude. He has no rear sway bar now.
It's just a Jeep. It's more of a rally car now, honestly.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
That's what it should be. It is fighting me trying to become a track car.
It doesn't want to be. Okay guys, we're doing a little trunk clean out because it looks fucking terrible. This melted, I'm assuming, from the exhaust, so that's unusable. But if anybody wants to buy these, the taillights and the grills, let me know. I might try to clear these though, to be honest. But yeah, I'm actually gonna go to a tire shop here in a minute, get some cheap tires so I can run all 4 of these bad boys. These bad boys right here. Looks better than this. I don't really like how this looks. I just don't like these wheels all that much. All right, we got all the tires loaded up. Got the new tires mounted. Hopefully these fit, because they both look pretty good, dude. They're both Pilot Sports. I'll show you guys in a second. All right, here they are. They don't look too bad, to be honest. There's like on one of them, there's a little bit of inner tire wear, but it's not even that bad, to be honest. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these on here in a minute. I'm gonna change out of the nice shoes. Santa this year bought me a new 1/2-inch impact from Craftsman. So shout out to Santa. We're putting that to good use right now. Yeah, I've just been cleaning these up, and golly, man, these needed some love. Let me tell you. That looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't clean the face yet, but we'll get to that here in a second. That's literally you versus the guy she says not to worry about. Damn, that looks hella good. Holy shit. Yeah, these are gonna look good on here. All right, we're gonna test fit that one first because it's all clean and nice looking. So yeah, we're gonna jack it up, throw it on, and pray that it fits. Pray that it fits. I would be really happy if it did. I'm tired of mismatched wheels. All right, chat, for the moment of truth, fitting the wheel on. These are heavy enough. we have room to go lower. That's a success if I've ever seen one. Fuck yeah, dude. Bro, listen to this. Oh god, yeah, we cannot drive that. I'm gonna clean these ones up and get to cracking. For anybody wondering, I'm using this Eagle One Never Dull. It actually works pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. If you've never used it, not sponsored obviously, but I think it works pretty good. All right, dude, look at that shine. That's insane. These did not look good beforehand, like not at all, to be honest. So this is pretty sick. I'm gonna just clean the front and then throw it on. Okay, time to throw that bad boy on there, and then we gotta switch these out. Go ahead and drop it. Oh, time to swap the front now. All right, gonna clean these up first. These are about as clean as they're gonna get. I was having a really hard time getting all this shit out, but looks better than it was. That's for sure. All right, time to throw them on and get the grand reveal after 3 months of having these. Whoever decided lug bolts was a good idea, they need to be fired. That's pretty epic. Wow. I'm fucking with it. Not gonna lie. 18s look way better. This is kind of a problem. This is taking up quite a bit of space in here. It's like in cars.
Bruh.
Okay, well, this is all good. I'm gonna get tire shine. The tires are looking pretty not shiny. Other than that, I was gonna go take pictures just because the car looks great now. But it is raining, so we will see. If it stops raining, I will gladly go do that. Yo, if you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate it. So this is the last video that I filmed in 2024. I guess it'll be the first video I post in 2025. For all you guys who subscribed in 2024, thank you. I appreciate it. I've gotten a lot more support on this car than I thought I was going to get. I feel like since getting this car, I gained at least a couple hundred subscribers. A lot of people were saying a lot of nice things. So that's awesome. Thank you guys for the support. I've read every single comment. Every single one of them, I appreciate. It's awesome. Started the year 2024 with the S4. And honestly, I was just filming whatever. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, now that car's gone, which is fine. I'm totally fine with that. Good car for the time, but I think this car suits me better. I've learned a lot working on this car. I mean, started off with doing, let's see. Me and Cam did the muffler delete, obviously. And I mean, obviously I had to learn manual. Never owned a manual car before. Did the coilovers, which was a nightmare. I didn't read all the instructions. That's my fault. Shout out to everybody who helped me with that. Me and David were working on it until 4 in the morning. That was hilarious. Not at the time, but it is now. After that, I got these wheels, the Brayton Visions, off an e39 M5 for a really good price, actually. But the tires were too wide in the rear. They were 275s, so I got these 245s, which you saw in this video. Now they fit no problem. I might actually lower the car just a smidge. So we'll see on that. I got the M Sport bumper because if you saw, the other one melted. The OEM bumper, that was due to my own negligence. That was super lit, me and Isaac. But that was because I just cut the muffler off and didn't do anything about that. So I learned from that lesson. But in turn, I got the M Sport bumper, which was black for the longest, and it looked terrible. I actually hated driving this car. It looked mismatched wheels. The Style 19s were disgusting. Previous owner, he took care of the car mechanically, just did not wash it, like ever, apparently, or something, I don't know. Learned how to paint, I've never painted anything before. Shout out to everybody helping me with that as well. Got the headlights, wired those in, but wrapped the interior, just, you know, little minor stuff like that. Tail lights, I think I said. Well, that was in this video. You guys saw that. Got a lot more subscribers. We're almost at 1,000, not quite there yet. But I don't know. My goal for next year, I want to say 2,000 for sure, but the main, like, if I could hit like 5,000, that would be insane. I want to try to make this car as clean as it can be. Obviously, I got a lot to do. You guys will see. I actually have a couple of parts coming in, but yeah, I don't know. Here's to 2025, I suppose. I also want to get another car by the end of the year, but it's gonna be a lot harder. Go back to school. I'll be working. Be a long year, long grinding year, but try to stay more consistent on YouTube just because it's fun and it seems like people actually want to see what I have to say, have to post. So yeah, I guess with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Here's to 2025. This shit is a Roblox fucking obstacle course lobby, dude. Yeah, that's good. That looks good, yeah.
Oh yeah, man. Good to see you guys.
Hey, good to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you guys, man.
For the viewers at home, it smells really bad out here.
It really does.
It's pretty sick.
Alright, bro. We got an E39 now, I guess. Yeah. Oh, dude, let's go. Dude, we got everybody out here. Dude, I don't know, something cheap. Such a good spot. We live where they vacation.